So it is time for our interactive quiz. So the first question is, which hiragana character is ka? The answer is number C. What is the Romaji character reading for ku? The answer is B. Ku. Question 3. Which word means tree? A. Kasa, B. Kuchi, C. Ki, D. Kodomo. The correct answer is C. Ki. Question 4. Which hiragana character is K? Correct answer is D. K. Question 5. What is the meaning of Kodomo? A. Umbrella, B. Mouth, C. Child, or D. Tree. The correct answer is C. Child.